Hurricane Idalia is a tropical storm that has had an increased degree of uncertainty surrounding its path. The cone of uncertainty, also known as the forecast cone, is the regional area that encompasses all possible tracks. It gives an indication of where the storm or hurricane may be heading in the next couple of days. The cone of uncertainty for Hurricane Idalia has been particularly large and has included much of the east coast of North America. This has caused a great deal of anxiety for many people in this region as they wait for Idalia's path to become known. The National Hurricane Center strives to provide the most accurate and complete information to the public. They utilize a variety of data and resources to ensure accuracy when forecasting the potential path of a hurricane. The cone of uncertainty is one tool used to demonstrate the range of possibilities for a hurricane's path. It is designed to give a general indication of where the storm may be heading. When forecasting Hurricane Idalia, the cone of uncertainty has been substantially larger than usual. This means that Idalia's path is exceptionally difficult to predict and the potential areas of impact are much more widespread than normal. It also makes it difficult to accurately predict the storm's intensity and speed. The cone of uncertainty for Hurricane Idalia is being monitored closely by weather experts. They continue to report their findings to ensure the public is kept informed and educated. The National Hurricane Center continuously updates their forecasts for Hurricane Idalia to keep the public informed and safe. Even with the unpredictable nature of the cone of uncertainty, it is still an important tool in understanding a hurricane's movement. It gives people in potential areas of impact the chance to prepare and take necessary precautions. Knowing the general location of a storm is vital in helping people plan and prepare accordingly. The cone of uncertainty is designed to provide the most comprehensive general prediction of a storm's possible path. When it comes to Hurricane Idalia, the cone of uncertainty is larger than normal and is being monitored closely by weather experts. Staying informed is an important factor in staying safe during hurricane season, especially with a storm as unpredictable as Idalia. Even with the uncertainty surrounding Hurricane Idalia's path, the cone of uncertainty is still an important tool for understanding the storm's movements. The National Hurricane Center is utilizing their expertise and resources to provide the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding the storm's path. The data and models that are used to inform the cone of uncertainty continue to be reanalyzed and updated as the storm progresses. This information is integral in helping people stay safe and also prepare for any potential impacts.